Hey guys, I'm Frida with WTI, and I'm about to show you your next must-have for your coffee station. I found these from a company called New England Stories, and I absolutely love them. I love having a little coffee station set up. It makes me happy, but that big plastic jug of vanilla syrup just wasn't doing it for me. So I found this company, and these are incredible. They're solid glass, very, very heavy. The top has this cute little pump, and I love that the straw goes all the way down into this bottom corner, so you're not getting any waste. It comes with 28 different labels, and guess what? There's a pumpkin spice one. Just because we're coming up on that season, I thought that was important to point out. I use this for my coffee station, and I also have another one over with my simple syrup for my drinks, my little chill out drinks at night. These are almost a 26-ounce capacity, so you're gonna fit a ton of syrup in this and not have to worry about refilling it constantly. I was very impressed, not only by the quality and the weight of these containers, but also the care that was taken to pack. The box was packed up so nicely. I didn't have any worries at all when I opened it. This isn't just a thin-walled glass jar. It looks very pleasing to the eye, but also is very sturdy. So I have no doubt that I'll be able to enjoy these in my beautiful coffee station and my beautiful cocktail station for years to come. And that's my point of view.